Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your understanding of health insurance with Blue Cross Blue Shield detailed guide step by step clearly. Understanding health insurance can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Let's explore how Blue Cross Blue Shield can help simplify this process for you. First, visit the Blue Cross Blue Shield website. Take your time to navigate through the different sections. Familiarize yourself with available plans in your state. Identify the coverage options that best suit your needs. Next, check if your preferred healthcare providers accept Blue Cross Blue Shield. This can be done using the provider search tool on their website. Review the benefits included in each plan. Pay special attention to copays, deductibles, and coverage limits. Understanding these terms is crucial to managing your healthcare costs. Once you've reviewed the plans, consider contacting a customer service representative. They can provide clarity and answer any specific questions you may have. Utilize their online resources and educational materials for deeper insights. These resources often include articles, videos, and FAQs. Take advantage of any free webinars offered by Blue Cross Blue Shield. This is an excellent way to learn from experts in the field. After gathering information, create a list of pros and cons for each plan you're considering. This will help you make a more informed decision. If you're feeling overwhelmed, seek assistance from a licensed insurance broker. They can help you navigate the options available to you. Once you've chosen a plan, carefully review the enrollment process. Make sure you complete all necessary paperwork accurately. After enrollment, familiarize yourself with your member benefits portal. This is where you'll find easy access to your plan information. Regularly review your insurance plan and stay updated on any changes. Engaging with your health insurance plan will improve your understanding over time. Finally, reach out to Blue Cross Blue Shield if you have ongoing questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.